All right, so this is number 7 on sequence 2. And it says the summation of starting at 1 to 15 of 2n plus x equals 285. So let's kind of remember what all of these mean. So if I start at 1 and I go to 15, that means I know that n equals 15. Well, 2n plus x, if you remember, that is my rule. So I know that an equals 2n plus x. And it tells me that the sum equals 285, so I know that the sum is 285. All right, and the question asks me to figure out what x is. All right, so let's take a look at this. So I know the sum is 285, and I know that's going to equal n over 2, so that would be 15 over 2 times a1 plus an. Well, I don't know a1 and an, but I do know that I could plug in the first term here, and it would give me at least an expression for a1. So if I plug in 1 for the first term, because in this case n would be 1 for the first term, 2 times 1 is 2 plus x. So I know a1 would be 2 plus x. I know the last term would be, well, if I filled in 15 for n, that would be my last term. So 2 times 15 plus x would be 30 plus x. So I don't really know what a1 and an are, but I can write expressions for each one of those. Now that I have an expression for each one of those, let's plug that in here. So I have 285 equals 15 over 2, 2 plus x for a1 plus 30 plus x for an. Well, let's go ahead and simplify this, and you can see I only have one variable, so I should be able to solve this. So 285 equals 15 over 2. This would be times 2x plus 32. Let's go ahead and multiply through by 2 in order to get rid of the, I can't speak, the denominator here. So 285 times 285 will be 10, 16, 17, 570 equals 15 times 2x plus 32. 570 equals 30x plus whatever 15 times 32 is. 15 times 32 is 480. And then we're going to take 570 and we're going to subtract the 480, and we'll get 90 equals 30x. And if we divide both sides by 30, I'm running out of room here, you'll find out that x equals 3. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know.